Chocolate lava cake is not just undercooked chocolate cake. That's not what makes the center molten. You take a frozen cylinder of ganache and you set it in the ramekin so that as the outside cooks fully, the inside becomes molten. Okay. It's fucking molten, see? It's fucking molten, you asshole!
Today we're gonna make chocolate lava cake from Jon Favreau's movie Chef. Before we start, preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. And melt half a stick of butter and 90 grams or 3 ounces of bittersweet chocolate on the double boiler. Make sure you use the dark chocolate. And next, in a bowl, beat 1 medium-sized egg, 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt together. Beat until it's pale. Cut the ramekin, or if you don't have like me, use the oven-safe cup. Cut the butter and lightly flour. It will help taking out after bake. Make sure to tap out the excess flour, otherwise you will have the chalky cake. Nobody wants that, right? Next, pour the chocolate mixture into the egg mixture and mix all together. Oh, don't forget 1 tablespoon of flour. Flour here is what keeps the structure of the cake, so don't forget. And mix gently, not like me, and pour into the ramekin or cup. Oh, look at that. This is my favorite moment. Why bother bake? You can just eat now. Or you can bake on the medium rack for 12 minutes for better cake. This is actually the hardest part because you can't see the center of the cake, so you should try a few times because every oven is slightly different. And this looks great. Actually, this is my second shot. No, you can't wait, but after bake, let it cool for a minute and carefully turn it over and I'll mold on the plate. And here's your chocolate lava cake. Thank you for watching. See you next time.